Hey guys, as you know, I'm working on the Special Core Ops with Tony Horton's 22-minute hardcore program, and there's a couple moves that I struggle with, like you know, the sidewinder, but today he does the bird dog crunch to side plank, and I haven't quite mastered it, so as he would say, I'm currently struggling with it. So I've made a modification that I'm going to use till I get stronger, and I will master it at some point. So I'm going to share it with you so when you do this program, you have this option for yourself as well, okay? So it's bird dog, crunch, side plank. Here we go. I'm going to do it 4 times so you get an idea of how I do it. Okay, it's important to have quality over quantity, good form, right? Here we go. Okay. Bird dog, crunch, side plank. So remember, you can keep that leg down if you want, or bring it up. Nice and straight alignment. Other side. Bird dog, crunch, side plank. Back. Bird dog, crunch, side plank. One more. Bird dog, crunch, side plank. So there you go. There's your option to modify if you need. Okay, again, I'm going to keep working at doing the full version. Thanks, Tony, for some great moves. You all have a great day. Be great, Bill. Bye.